Hi, it's the Roche Hair Experience. In just a few minutes, we're going to show you how to measure for a wig. It's easy, just follow 3 simple steps. First, take a soft tape measure and measure from the front of your hairline to just above your ears. Second, wrap the tape measure around to where your neck bends, under the occipital bone. And third, bring it back round to the front hairline where you started. This will give you your measurement. Petite wigs. These wigs are between 51 cm and 54 cm, 20 to 21.25 inches. Our average wigs range between 54 cm and 57 cm, 21.25 to 22.5 inches. Large is 57 cm, 22.5 to larger than 57 cm, 22.5 to 24 inches. Don't worry if you're finding it tricky to measure your head, our wig consultation service can help size up the perfect fit for you. Please give us a call or book via the link.